It's like the best presentation
O sea,
ever.
te dan ganas de morderlo así.
Oh my god.
Muérdele, muérdele.
Pork grinds right here. What's up everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful San Juan, Puerto Rico. Today I have an incredible day for you guys. I'm going to Casa Bacardi. We're going to the Bacardi factory. We're gonna see how Bacardi makes their rum, and then after that we're going to Old San Juan and we're gonna go eat at Vaca Brava, an amazing restaurant. They have incredible presentation of their Puerto Rican food. And on this trip, I partnered with María de Viaje.
How are you? ¿Cómo están, mijitos? Estoy desayunando, está bastante bueno, le estoy dando con Todorcio. Vean.
We're staying here at the Intercontinental San Juan. This is on Isla Verde. It's located 5 minutes from the airport, about a 10-minute drive from Old San Juan. This hotel is incredible, 398 rooms, and we both got incredible suites here. Luckily, because we need to sleep. It's been the long 2 travel days. Nice shot, man. Yeah. Let's go to Bacardi. Gracias. Hasta luego. Bacardi is the largest privately held family-owned spirits company in the world. Originally known for the Bacardi white rum, it now has a portfolio of more than 200 brands and labels. Founded in 1862 and family-owned for 7 generations, Bacardi employs over 6,000 people, manufactures at 29 facilities in 16 markets on 4 continents, with sales in more than 150 countries. Casa Bacardi is about a 25-minute drive from the Intercontinental San Juan. Welcome to the world's largest premium rum distillery.
Woo!
We're having drinks at 9:30 in the morning.
Vamos a empezar.
What are we having, Irene? What are we gonna have?
Well, you can have Mojito, you can have daiquiri, you can have old Cuban, you know, like the Cuba Libre. So we should do the Mojito. We should do the Mojito.
Okay, Mojito,
That's the
Mojito.
best.
So for the traditional Mojito, you're gonna start out with 4 wedges of lime inside a 12-ounce cup, 2 bar spoons of regular white sugar, 2 ounces of Bacardi Carta Blanca or Bacardi Superior, and then we muddle that for at least 7 times without the mint. Then after the muddling, we're gonna grab up to 8 to 12 mint leaves, depending the size. You're gonna give it a good hit with your palms, and then you're gonna add it right inside the cup. Give it a gentle stir to infuse all the flavors together. Then you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna add ice all the way to the top. You're gonna give it a little stir to the ice so you can start accommodating the liquid and start chilling it at the same time. And then you're gonna finish off with at least 1 ounce to 2 ounces of club soda.
Cuban Mojito. Nice. Love the lime in it. Oh, it's amazing, dude. You want some?
Vamos a darle, Bacardi. Ay, te quedó bien bueno, amigo. Qué bárbaro. Está muy rico,
Ya empezó el día. Hey, I want some more. We start off with Mojito, and now we're going to mixology class, and Christian is our mixologist.
Yep. See if these guys can make these cocktails as well as I can. That's my job.
We get that VIP treatment.
Me traje la caminera. Salud.
This is the largest rum distillery in the world. This is where we produce 85% of the Bacardi rum that's sold worldwide. 14% is produced in Mexico, and 1% is produced in Bombay, India. Well, Mexico was the first distillery after Cuba. Well, they still had the Cuban distillery, and they opened in Mexico to expand to South America. And then Puerto Rico became the 3rd distillery, where they opened first in Old San Juan. It's now a Foot Locker store where the distillery was.
Wow.
And then in 1936 they bought this land over here, and in 1958 they officially opened this large distillery that we have here today. And later on after mixology, this is where you guys are going to be actually filling up your own bottle of our exclusive house rum, Casa Bacardi Special Reserve.
Mixology class, we're gonna learn how to make different drinks. I'm super excited. It's been a long time since I've had a mixology course.
Aquí vamos a aprender a hacer todos los chupes posibles.
This is crazy. It's amazing. I've never seen a room like this. This is our mixology class. This is incredible. This is the mixology room. This is a bartender mixologist's dream room. You got everything a bartender could ever want here. And we're gonna learn how to make cocktails. We're gonna learn how to make mojitos, daiquiris, and Cuba Libre.
Yep, that's correct.
Okay. So this is my station right here.
Yep. And everything right here, ice buckets on the side, that side. We got ice bucket right here as well. So we got ice bucket for everyone over here. We got mint for everyone. We got lime for everyone. We got sugar for everyone. We got rum, of course, for everyone. Lime juice for our daiquiris. Coca-Cola for our Cuba Libres. Club soda for our mojitos. We're all set.
So for a daiquiri, we use the shaker.
Yep. For the daiquiri, we're gonna be making it right inside the shaker.
2 spoons of sugar.
2 spoons of sugar.
So the next step is we add 2 ounces, which is this little bottle of Bacardi White.
Yep.
So you add it in reverse.
Reverse, like that, like an elevator.
Daiquiri, baby. So you gotta shake the lime juice.
Yeah, shake that lime juice. Now, you're gonna be adding 50 milliliters, which is that side right there. Yeah,
So it's this side?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. See you.
Sí, lo logré, ¿eh?
So next step, we add ice to the middle of the shaker. So
You got a metal shaker, so this ice is gonna make this cocktail very, very cold.
So we grab the top.
2, pero la cadera, la cadera.
Yeah, up and down.
My hands are freezing now.
Como si estuviera luchando.
Get frío.
¡Ay, sí está bien frío!
That's how you know it's ready, that your hands are falling off, they're so frozen.
You can even tell by the shake.
Oh, so you open the little top.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
In and start raising that. Give it a little shake, shaker.
Shake, shake, shake the shaker.
¡Salud!
It's so good, it's sweet. The lime juice really gives it a good taste. Dude, it's amazing.
It's simple, and you don't have to add ice to it.
So we both made daiquiris. Mine came out a little too sweet because I added just a little more sugar. I think I added like almost another spoonful of sugar. I think it's better, less sugar. But like them both. 10 in the morning, guys.
The Mojito is one of the most difficult cocktails to make because everywhere you go, it kind of tastes different.
Inside our glass cup, we had 4 limes.
Yeah.
This is
right side, you don't have to squeeze it.
for the Mojito.
Doing.
Next is 2 spoons of sugar, just like the daiquiri. Next step, white Bacardi, Carta Blanca, Bacardi Superior. Así, mira, esta. Y hace así, mira. ¿Lo hiciste?
Lo hice, ve.
And what you're gonna do is you're gonna leave the glass on the table, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna gently come in, squeeze and twirl. All right? So it's gentle, but pressure, squeeze and twirl.
Next, we get 9 mint leaves. 9. And then what we're gonna do is, and then put it in.
And then add it right inside. Voila.
Voila. Oh, the aroma.
Okay.
Now the aroma's even gonna be better.
Oh, the next step, ice to the top. Right there, ice to the top. Next thing we're doing is we're adding club soda. So you gotta be careful when you open it, and this is actually Canada Dry. She's shaking it because she wants to explode in my face, but. So 50 milliliters of club soda.
There we go.
Lo voy a hacer al revés para la cámara.
And then it gets really cold. And that's it. That's our mojito. You almost don't taste the alcohol. Like you really don't. So you're gonna have a few of these and not notice it. And that's why it's dangerous. That's why they call it casting a magic spell. You can cast a spell over me all day. Christian, so where are we going next?
All right, so actually next, you guys are gonna be filling up your own bottles of our house rum, Casa Bacardi. It's gonna be looking just like this. Waxed, corked, all by you.
I can't wait. This is coming home with me. We're gonna bottle our own special edition rum. They only have this rum here. This is the barrel, rum's inside. We're gonna get a bottle. Oh, we're gonna try a shot right now.
Ay, huele muy bien, ¿eh?
Adrian.
This is a blend from 8 up to 12, and then we finish it in a sherry cask. That's why it's gonna have like a sweet smell.
Yeah, this is a very, very sweet. This is almost like a dessert wine.
Yeah.
Oh, so it is finished in a dessert wine barrel. Before we bottle our rums, we have to engrave them. This costs $160 US for 1 bottle. I think it's worth it. Here we have a registration book showing the people who buy the bottle. And again, this is super limited edition, $160 for the bottle. It's a delicious bottle. If you love wine, you'll love this.
Okay.
Bacardi Legacy. Davidsbeenhere in Bacardi. First step, take out the cork.
With your left hand, you're gonna grab your bottle.
Okay.
Put it in the slot.
Right here. So with my right hand, I raise this all the way up. Wow.
Now.
Okay, so I slowly pull down the lever. Like that?
Yes, sir.
This is probably the best rum I've ever had in my life. This one right here.
Oh yes.
It's just so sweet and delicious. You're not supposed to mix this with anything, not even ice. I love this. All the way down?
Then you're gonna have a couple of drops so you could actually wet the cork.
Okay, wet the cork. So then cork on. Ooh, tight. Can't let any of those drops go to waste. The next step, we're gonna seal the cork with wax. So 1, 2, 3, and then you turn it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Good. And then you seal it. 5 seconds of pressure, as hard as you can.
Okay, we should have a...
Wow, a little bat right there. All right, next up, put it right here, and we're gonna put the stickers on it. As you see, this is a naked bottle. Right now, it's just Davidsbeenhere. There's no Bacardi here, except the seal. Yeah, so I'm gonna clean it. Beautiful. You gotta put it right in the center, right there. This is the proof of authenticity, and this is the label that's going on the bottle right there. You gotta be really careful with this, guys. You gotta be like, perfect. Ahí. And this is the final product. This is probably my favorite rum in the world. So good. And here we have it, the final product. Bacardi, special edition rum. As I said before, this costs $160. The experience of bottling it. It is probably one of the best rums in the world. From the biggest, Bacardi is the biggest rum producing factory in the world. Wow. I'm gonna do like Maria de Viaje. We're going to Vaca Brava, and Vaca Brava has crazy presentations.
Okay, it's
so
a traditional food.
Traditional food, pero está como, tienen el snapper, está como parado el pescado. I don't know, you're gonna see, it's crazy.
Oh!
And this is their first time in Old San Juan. I've been here once before, but it's been 11 years. And Old San Juan is very small.
They have a lot of history. Okay, llegamos al Viejo San Juan, David.
This girl's too funny. We arrived in Viejo San Juan, or Old San Juan. This is like the most historic place in all of Puerto Rico. Right now we're going to Vaca Brava. This restaurant, you guys are gonna get blown away right now because we're about to eat an enormous amount of food, and the presentation, I mean, if you go on Google and check this place out, you have to come here.
Vamos a probar.
Vamos.
Medalla Light.
We're having Medalla Light and what's yours? Magna. These are like the main beers of the country. This one's been here for like 70 years. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Team Puerto Rico. It's really good for a beach. Go to the beach, drink this. It's light.
Okay. We have a cancan with mampostea rice. It's white rice and beans, mixed with fried plantain. Cancan is a pork. And we have the mofongo, like a cordillera. We got the 3 bowl of mofongo and has a steak and chicken. On it has cheese, and we have the red snapper with skirt steak and mofongo yuca.
Like I told you earlier, this place has crazy presentations. We got the snapper with mofongo with yuca, and on the bottom we have meat. Over here we have tostones. What is this?
This is the cancan.
Cancan.
Cancan es chuleta de cerdo,
Okay.
y se le derrite la grasa de una manera impresionante, pero sí es chuleta de cerdo. La presentación está...
It's like the best presentation
O sea,
ever.
te dan ganas de morderlo así.
Oh my god.
Muérdele, muérdele.
Pork rinds right here.
Está buenísimo.
Está riquísimo esto. The first thing we're gonna try is the mofongo with plantains. It also has chicken. There's also some meat here, so steak. We got incredible amount of cheese. This is huge. Dude, this is like to die for right here. Whoa, too much cheese. It's so soft. I love the red salsa. And the mix with the meat, perfect combination with the red salsa. The thing about mofongo is that it's a little thick, so this is like a meal in itself. It's not good. It's ridiculously delicious. This is cancan. It's a piece of pork. You can see half of this is straight up fat. Fat, yummy. my god. Real men eat with their hands. This tastes like pork rinds. So juicy, fat, very greasy. Hey, it is pork. This is addictive. Oh my god, the cancan is ridiculous. Now we need a little Magna, the other beer of the country.
Le voy a sacar el ojo y me lo voy a comer.
Oh wow. That's the eyeball.
Está buenísimo.
So if you guys don't know, the eyeball of the fish is the most juicy part. It's so good. I love it as well. Let's dive in here.
Bien.
Very crunchy. And this one has mofongo of yuca. Yuca is very similar to plantain. I like yuca a lot. Riquísimo. Wow. I'm gonna get crazy here. I'm gonna use my hands. Boom. No, but it's like impossible.
Está muy bueno.
Fried red snapper.
Yeah.
The only thing is you have to be careful because I'm sure there's spines in here. Woo! What an amazing day we had. We went to Casa Bacardi. We made drinks. We learned how to become mixologists. Daiquiris, mojitos.
Yes, way too much.
Way too much.
No sé si se siente.
Yeah. No, after we ate a lot here. We ate like so much here. We had mofongo, we had pork, we had a big red snapper. I mean, this restaurant is a must when you come to Old San Juan, and obviously Bacardi. It's a staple. It's a must visit when you're in Puerto Rico. Bacardi. So guys, I hope you love this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to María de Viaje.
María de Viaje en todas las redes sociales. Aquí, o por acá, o por acá lo voy a poner de él.
Okay.
La vamos a pasar muy bien en Puerto Rico. Nos faltan días.
All right, guys. See you in the next adventure in Puerto Rico.